Aurora's police and the city's new mayor met with town center management today to talk about safety following an increase in violence at the mall. But until 5 minutes ago, no one, not mall management, not the city, nor police, could tell us when that meeting was held or what came out of it. Good evening. I'm Ann Trujillo.
And I'm Shannon Ogden. Now, last week, during one of the busiest return shopping days of the whole year, 17-year-old Nathan Poindexter was shot and killed inside the mall's JCPenney. Contact 7 investigator Jennifer Kovaleski's been digging into this one all day long, live in the newsroom now. Jen, the DA says, though, this is part of a much bigger problem.
Shannon and Ann, George Brockler says they are investigating if gang activity played a role in the shooting. He called the recent uptick in violence alarming, a trend happening too often at the Aurora Town Center.
It doesn't matter how many times they change the name of that mall.
A mall with a reputation, it can't escape.
It continues to seem to have periodically the same issues, and those issues tend to revolve around gangs.
District Attorney George Brockler is talking about the town center in Aurora, a place known for being a gang hangout, now at the center of another deadly shooting just days after Christmas.
We know that there were aspects of that crime that were gang related.
The fourth shooting at the mall in 2019.
Smile that lights up a room. His charisma, his personality.
The victim's uncle says the pain is still raw for 17-year-old Nathan Poindexter's family.
This tragedy happened in front of his baby brother.
Brockler can't explain the uptick in violence, but says when gangs are involved, solving any crime becomes more difficult.
The colloquial phrase is snitches get stitches.
Aurora police already have an officer assigned to the mall full-time. And it's fair to say, what is management to do if gang members want to hang out there? Which is likely why the mall is now turning to the city and police to try to improve safety inside Aurora's town center.
This gang thing isn't going to go away by itself. It's not going to go away because we ignore it or we refuse to put a label on it. It only goes away when we are active and vigorous about ending it.
The 18-year-old suspect in last week's shooting is currently being held without bond. I also spoke to an Aurora City Councilwoman. Francois Brigand expressed concern about what happened. She also told me that city leaders plan to ask Aurora's gang unit to attend their safety committee meeting later this month. We will stay on top of this. For now, we're live in the newsroom. I'm Contact 7 investigator Jennifer Kovaleski.
All right, Jen, thank you.